Hello, thank you for joining me here at myEcon.com. This is Alvin Curry. I want to thank you for joining me today. On our last video, or one of our previous videos, we started a series on financial literacy. And we gave you a definition for finance and for financier. So let me ask you a question. When you go to get a mortgage, as many of us do, we normally finance those mortgages for 30 years. Now, I know that there's different ways people do it. They do shorter mortgages. Some have now, I've heard, go as much as 40 years. If we look at our definition as a financier, that is one who's skilled in finances, would you say that you are skilled in finances or the mortgage company is skilled in finances? When we go to purchase a car, we're going to purchase that car. We're going to sit down with a loan officer at the car dealership. And they're going to get us a car loan that's typically 3 to as much as 7 years now. Would you say that you are skilled in finances or that car finance loan officer is skilled in finances? If you are financing furniture, appliances, or applying for a revolving credit account, would you say that you are the one skilled in finances, or would you say those people who are taking you through that process, those loan officers, those credit managers, who is skilled in finance? Remember, a financier is skilled in finances. So if you borrow from a bank, if you're doing a 401k, if you're purchasing insurance, who is skilled in finances? Now ask yourself this question. Where does 80% of the money you earn in your life go? I'm going to suggest that it goes to your mortgage, car loan, buying furniture, various appliances, credit card debts, insurance payments, things like that. Put it in the 401k. So if 80% of your money go to these things, and 80% of the time, the person who's helping you with this, they are the one skilled in finances. And you are the student, or you are the customer, or you are the consumer. If they are skilled, would you say that they're doing this to help your company, their companies, or would you say that they're doing this to help you? And if you lose 80% of the time in the financial game, how can you come out at the end of your life and have enough cash or enough investment so you can live and maintain your lifestyle that you want in retirement? See, I don't think it's coincidental that during our working years, over 95% of the people have jobs of some type. They have businesses of some type. I don't think that's coincidental. But that by the time that they retire and go into their retirement, now 95% of the people do not have enough finances in their retirement account to maintain the quality of their lifestyle. If you believe as I believe that this is a problem, and if you would like to have a conversation about that, let's have a conversation. Reach out to me at trustalvincurry.com, or you can follow me on LinkedIn and reach out to me directly there, and we can have a conversation on how I have been very blessed to fix my life over these last few years, 30, 40 years of my life working, how you fix your life. So you have to fix your economy. Nothing wrong with the people when they sold your mortgage. Nothing wrong with the people when they sold your car. It's nothing wrong with the insurance agent or any of the people who are doing their job. It's their job to fix their economy and their company's economy. It is your job to fix your economy. So let's talk about it. Reach out to me at trustalvincurry.com, or you can reach out to me directly on LinkedIn. Have a blessed day, and thank you.